Dude, this drink's simple but super cool. Check this out. So this is the LG fridge. And this fridge is dope because it makes craft ice. Look at the ice spheres. Ready to go home, boy. Crystal clear. Once you got your crushed ice, now you grab some rum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come behind that rum. This right here, this is a coconut syrup. This is a new twist on a rum and coke. It's called a dirty rum and coke. So we got coconut syrup. Then you can squeeze in a little bit of lime juice, okay? And now you come over the top of that with some Coca-Cola. I can't tell you all how good this tastes, okay? Put a little garnish on that. And there you have it, the dirty rum and coke. Guys, this an easy drink. You need this for your party. And you need this fridge in your house. Stay tipsy.